Oh, are we live? Let's see. We should probably be live, but I just gotta check. Um, yes, we are live, right? Yes, we are live. We are live. Um, that said, so what we are trying to do right now is the screen correctly as it is. So we were trying to solve this problem of designing a hash set, design a hash set without using any built-in hash table libraries, implement my hash set class, void add key, bool contains key, returns inserts the value key into the hash set, returns whether the value key exists in the hash set or not. So to check whether it exists in the hash set or not. Can we? Okay, I have. I do have this webcam. This one is probably better. This is probably better. And I'll just correct it. This looks better. This looks better. Okay. So yes, right. Design a hash set without using any built-in hash set libraries. So we need to design a hash set from scratch, implement my hash set class, the class here, which is supposed to have this function void add key, inserts the value key into the hash set. And then bool contains key, returns whether the key exists in hash set or not. So contains key this, and void remove key removes the key in hash set. If key does not exist in hash set, do nothing. Right? Given all of this, now I need to understand what hash set is from scratch to be able to do this, right? So I went to ChatGPT and I typed in the prompt, what is hash set, and this is what I got. So key characteristics of hash set is, first of all, the definition. Hash set is a data structure that stores unique elements. So it's a set. That's the property of a set, and provides very fast lookup, insertion, and removal. Typically, O of 1 average time. So if you want to insert something, if you want to look up something, or if you want to read something or remove something, O of 1 average time. That's what a hash set is. Key characteristics: no duplicate values, unique values, fast operations, O of 1, time complexity. Unordered does not maintain insertion order, stores only values, no key value pairs. So you see, fast operations, unordered does not maintain insertion order, stores only values, no key value pairs. I think these all four properties are very important to understand hash set and to implement them. And then we got to understand how the hash set works in the first place. When you add an element, the hash set computes its hash code. So um, computes its hash code, uses that hash to determine a storage location, right? So there is some hash code thing working here. And then there is storage location that is being determined using that hash. When checking an element exists, it hashes the value again, goes directly to the bucket, checks for equality. That's why it's much faster than other stuff. I'll probably want some diagram kind of thing to explain hash set to me. Let's see if we can do that. I'm gonna go to right, and what I'm doing is I'm searching for hash set in or okay, so let me bring it up here so that I can show it as I read it, right? So this is what we are talking about. Can is it stuck? Can you restart the capture? Yes. Okay. It's being shown, right? DSA hash sets. So it's form of a hash table data structure that usually holds a large number of elements. Using a hash set, we can search, add, or remove elements really fast. Oh, by the way, I just realized that while learning concepts from ChatGPT, it can give you probably all the things. It can give you clear explanations of the concepts, but it can start to lag uh, in terms of diagrams and visual explanation, isn't it? So whenever I try the I'm going to learn this from ChatGPT, there is the visual explanations are missing, and that's something I feel like I wish this was present. Okay. Anyways, it's a form of a hash table, and to be clear, a hash table looks something like Where is a hash table? I think we are we supposed to learn hash tables first. I do know hash maps, and our hash maps not hash tables, and our hash maps hash tables. Difference between a hash map and a hash table. Um, they are the same data structure. Okay. Depends really. They are kind of same and can often be used interchangeably, but different languages often have them mean slightly different things. You can generally assume they mean the same kind of data structure. There are slight differences between the languages. I think Java, for example, has both. Hash tables are thread safe and hash map is not. So it's just a Java thing, being thread safe and not being thread safe. Okay, and what about Python? I would, but I can think it's probably a hash. Okay, so hash set looks like a hash table, right? In hash code. It also has a hash code trying interacting with the hash. It. I'll just write in my name and it uh, stores it here. Can I call in add? There it is added. I'm gonna say Sukaran again. But why is it Sukaran again? And I'm gonna ask contains. Let's say true. Okay. Yeah. Key characteristics of I'm gonna just create a new chat. I think I'll just be back in some time.